Hey guys, what's going on? This is Darrell Addison at Torpedopot.com. Darrell Addison at Torpedopot.com, and you're looking at our nasturtium that's growing with tomatoes, that's growing with celery, and they're just doing their own little thing. I mean, they getting their sunlight, getting their water, soil's doing pretty good, and they're just doing their thing. I wanted to show you this because this is just gorgeous. You know how this tomato plant is taking off and growing. It's getting a lot of sunlight, and so it's going to be able to produce a lot of tomatoes. But what's more importantly, the celery is just doing just fine also. I mean, it's very, very solid. Look how sturdy that is. That's absolutely beautiful. But I love it also is because unlike the 260 tomatoes that we had grow on our other planters, these are just casually growing. And as you see, as they casually grow, they get beautiful tomatoes. I can't wait to eat that. I cannot wait to eat it. But before I did, I wanted to show you guys, you see what we're doing here at Torpedopot. Darrell Addison, Torpedopot.com. Darrell Addison, Torpedopot.com, where we make self-growing planters, and they grow your food. They literally grow your food. This is what we're in the business of doing. And so you're going to get delicious, great, healthy food unlike anything you've ever seen before. Just wanted to share this with you guys. And the potential tomatoes coming off of this are just bewildering. That's just 3 alone. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Got some more ones down there. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And we have more coming. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So we have 35 potential tomatoes that can come off this planter. We'll gauge and see what's going on. But this has been running by itself, no human intervention. You can see it's a little wild there. Everything in this planter is edible. The tomatoes are edible, which we love. The flowers are edible. Nasturtiums are fully edible. We eat those all the time. Very, very peppery taste and sweet taste for the flowers. It's delicious. You guys gotta give it a try. And we have the celery that's growing, and it's doing pretty fine. It's doing well. Darrell Addison, Torpedopot.com. Darrell Addison at Torpedopot.com. Talk to you guys later. All right, bye-bye.